Today, the Los Angeles Zoo is home to more than 1,700 animals, representing over 270 different species, including mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fish from around the world. Visitors can explore a wide variety of habitats that bring global ecosystems to life, from African grasslands and South American rainforests to Asian forests and Australian outbacks. At the Los Angeles Zoo, the Harbor Seal exhibit is a refreshing and lively stop that captures the playful spirit of marine mammals. As visitors approach the pool, they are often greeted by the sight of sleek, spotted bodies gliding effortlessly through the water. The exhibit is designed to resemble a coastal habitat, complete with rocky outcroppings and a large, clear viewing area that allows guests to observe both above and below the water's surface. Harbor seals are known for their agility and curiosity, and watching them swim is truly mesmerizing. They twist, spin, and dart through the water with remarkable grace, using their powerful flippers to propel themselves forward. At times, they surface quietly, whiskered faces emerging from the pool as they scan their surroundings. Their expressive eyes and playful behavior quickly make them a favorite among families and photographers. Informational displays throughout the exhibit explain how harbor seals rely on their sensitive whiskers to detect vibrations in the water, helping them locate fish and other prey even in murky conditions. Feeding times are especially exciting at the harbor seal habitat. During scheduled keeper talks, guests can learn about the seal's diet, training routines, and individual personalities. Trainers often demonstrate enrichment activities that stimulate the seals mentally and physically, showing how intelligence plays an important role in their daily care. Seeing these animals up close often creates a stronger emotional connection, inspiring greater awareness about protecting coastal environments. Overall, the harbor seal habitat at the Los Angeles Zoo combines movement, education, and coastal charm into one engaging experience. Whether you're watching a seal glide gracefully beneath the water or relax peacefully on a sunlit rock, the exhibit offers moments of wonder and appreciation for the beauty of marine life. At the Los Angeles Zoo, the flamingo habitat is one of the most colorful and eye-catching areas in the park. From a distance, visitors are immediately drawn to the brilliant shades of pink that stand out against the greenery. The shallow lagoon-style enclosure, complete with gentle water features and sandy edges, recreates the wetlands where flamingos naturally thrive. Flamingos are famous for their striking pink and coral feathers, which come from pigments in the algae and crustaceans they eat. Watching them gather in groups, their long necks curved gracefully in S shapes, creates a scene that feels almost artistic. Their tall, slender legs and synchronized movements give the exhibit a sense of elegance and rhythm that fascinates guests of all ages. One of the most entertaining sights is seeing flamingos stand calmly on one leg, a behavior that often sparks curiosity among visitors. While it may look unusual, this posture actually helps them conserve body heat. At times, the entire flock appears to move together, wading slowly through the water as they filter feed with their uniquely shaped beaks. The flamingo habitat also offers excellent opportunities for photography. The contrast between their vivid plumage and the soft blues of the water makes every snapshot feel vibrant and dynamic. During sunny afternoons, their feathers seem to glow even brighter, creating a tropical atmosphere right in the heart of Los Angeles. Educational displays around the exhibit explain the social nature of flamingos and how they rely on large colonies for protection and breeding. Guests can learn about their nesting habits, egg care, and the conservation efforts aimed at protecting wetland ecosystems around the world. These informative details deepen the appreciation for what might otherwise seem like simply beautiful birds. Overall, the flamingos at the Los Angeles Zoo provide a peaceful yet visually stunning experience. Their graceful movements, vivid colors, and strong social bonds make them one of the most memorable stops during a visit. Spending a few quiet moments watching the flock interact is both calming and inspiring, adding a splash of vibrant beauty to the zoo adventure. The Indian gharial exhibit offers visitors a rare opportunity to observe one of the world's most unusual crocodilian species. Native to the rivers of the Indian subcontinent, the Indian gharial is instantly recognizable by its exceptionally long, narrow snout, lined with sharp interlocking teeth. This specialized snout is perfectly adapted for catching fish. The Western gray kangaroo exhibit offers visitors a glimpse into the unique wildlife of Australia. These calm and graceful marsupials can often be seen lounging in shaded areas during the warmer parts of the day, conserving energy much like they would in the Australian bush. Watching these iconic animals up close provides a peaceful yet memorable experience, adding a distinctive Australian touch to any visit to the zoo. At the Los Angeles Zoo, the Komodo dragon exhibit draws visitors eager to see the world's largest living lizard up close. Native to a handful of Indonesian islands, the Komodo dragon is an impressive reptile, known for its muscular body, powerful limbs, and long, flicking tongue used to detect scents in the air. Educational displays explain the Komodo dragon's role as an apex predator, its keen hunting abilities. The hornbill exhibit showcases some of the most distinctive and charismatic birds in the avian world. Hornbills are instantly recognizable by their large, curved bills often topped with a prominent casque, a hollow structure that adds to their striking appearance. Native to Africa and Asia, these birds thrive in forested habitats, and the zoo's lush, naturalistic aviaries help recreate that environment. The gorilla habitat is one of the most powerful and memorable experiences for visitors. These magnificent western lowland gorillas live in a thoughtfully designed environment that reflects the lush forests of Central Africa. As you approach the exhibit, you immediately feel a sense of anticipation, knowing you're about to encounter one of the most intelligent and emotionally complex animals on Earth. The gorilla enclosure features natural rock formations, climbing structures, shaded resting areas, and open grassy spaces that encourage natural behaviors. Visitors can observe the troop interacting with one another, young gorillas playing energetically, mothers caring gently for their infants, and the dominant silverback calmly watching over the group. Seeing a silverback up close, with his powerful build and quiet confidence, is both humbling and awe-inspiring. One of the most fascinating aspects of visiting the gorillas is witnessing their human-like expressions and behaviors. They use subtle gestures, facial expressions, and body language to communicate within the troop. Sometimes they sit quietly, thoughtfully observing the crowd, creating a unique moment of connection between humans and wildlife. These encounters often leave visitors deeply moved and more aware of our close evolutionary relationship. The zoo places strong emphasis on conservation and education within the gorilla exhibit. Informational displays explain the challenges gorillas face in the wild, including habitat loss and poaching. Through participation in international breeding and conservation programs, the zoo helps support the survival of this critically endangered species. Visitors leave not only entertained, but also more informed about the importance of protecting African rainforests. Keeper talks and feeding times offer an even richer experience. During these sessions, animal care specialists share insights into the gorilla's diet, personalities, and daily routines. Watching a gorilla skillfully peel fruit or use problem-solving skills during enrichment activities demonstrates their remarkable intelligence and dexterity. The Griffith Zebra exhibit offers visitors a striking glimpse of one of Africa's most endangered zebra species. Griffith zebras are easily recognized by their narrow, closely spaced black and white stripes and their large, rounded ears, which give them an especially alert appearance. The Maasai giraffe exhibit is one of the most breathtaking sights in the park. These towering animals immediately capture attention with their extraordinary height and elegant presence. As visitors approach the African habitat, the giraffes' long necks rise gracefully above the landscape, creating a truly unforgettable first impression. The Maasai giraffe is distinguished by its irregular, jagged-edged spots that extend down its legs, setting it apart from other giraffe subspecies. Their patterned coats blend beautifully with the savanna-inspired setting of the exhibit. Watching them walk is a remarkable experience. Their slow, synchronized strides and gentle movements reflect both strength and grace. One of the most popular moments for guests is observing the giraffes as they stretch their necks to reach high branches. Their long, prehensile tongues skillfully grasp leaves, demonstrating their natural feeding behavior. Seeing such a massive animal delicately pluck foliage highlights the fascinating balance between power and precision that defines these gentle giants. The elevated viewing areas at the exhibit allow visitors to observe the giraffes at eye level, creating a unique perspective. Being so close to their expressive eyes and long eyelashes often leaves guests in awe. Children and adults alike are amazed by how calmly these animals interact within their group, occasionally nuzzling or standing quietly beside one another. Inside the aquatic exhibits, visitors can discover the fascinating world of South American freshwater fish, including the red-bellied piranha and the banded leporinus. These species, native to the rivers and floodplains of the Amazon basin, offer a glimpse into one of the planet's most diverse aquatic ecosystems. The carefully designed tanks recreate murky river conditions with submerged logs, rocks, and filtered lighting that mimic their natural habitat. The red-bellied piranha is perhaps the most well-known of the two, recognized for its silvery body and distinctive reddish-orange belly. While often portrayed in movies as aggressive predators, these fish are more complex than their reputation suggests. The meerkat exhibit is one of the most entertaining and lively stops for visitors. These small, energetic mammals are native to the deserts and grasslands of southern Africa, and their habitat at the zoo recreates a sandy, rocky environment similar to their natural home. From the moment guests approach, they are often greeted by the sight of meerkats scurrying across the ground or popping up from their burrows. Meerkats are famous for their upright sentry pose, standing tall on their hind legs while scanning the horizon for potential danger. This cooperative behavior is a key part of their survival strategy in the wild. At the zoo, visitors can watch as one meerkat keeps watch while others dig, groom one another, or explore their enclosure. Their alert expressions and quick movements make them fascinating to observe. The exhibit is designed with tunnels, mounds, and shaded areas that encourage natural digging and social interaction. The American Alligator exhibit gives visitors an up-close look at one of North America's most powerful reptiles. Native to the southeastern United States, the American alligator is known for its armored body, broad snout, and impressive strength. Guests often find them resting motionless along the water's edge, blending seamlessly into their surroundings, or gliding slowly through the pool with only their eyes and nostrils visible above the surface. The habitat is designed to resemble a warm, wetland environment, complete with water features and basking areas that allow the alligators to regulate their body temperature.